Each cake gets a pre-treatment before spider webbing it and painting it. This one, which, let's see, they all have names. Center tower, middle, will have, I'll peel this off and glue this on. I have the date, their anniversary date on it. And I have the date for people who walk around back. Repeat it again. Just a year on this cake. And I will be slicing this in half so the cakes have to match up. So that's for this one. And then spider webbed around it so that this stands out. It doesn't get into it. This one has the letters and the words in here. Till death do us part. In the raised, it'll be raised, and they go on, and that'll be split, and it'll say, because this is the double layer special build. So on the side of it, it'll say, till death do us part. So that'll be glued on, then covered, so that it'll get highlighted and brought back up in painting after it's painted red. Boss cake. I made a set of ravens, that's why the raven feathers, and wedding rings. Will be glued on here and covered. All spider webs will come off of these rings for this cake and down the sides, and it's a tall cake. And that's in the center. You won't see the pretty silver and gold. I just had a lot of those glue guns to build and waste. Plus it's low temperature glue, I can change my mind where it was landing. And this is a very top cake on the center tower. And this has Paul and Alex, their names, for the side here. And this is for nosy people in the back. This is a spider webbed puppy. This can go on the back because they got 3 cute little fur babies for their family. And so I included the fur babies. And I have a top fur that I ordered. It's a copyright image, so I can't show you until it comes. And it will go here with the roses on the top. And it includes their fur babies too. So that's it for before pre-painting. And I'll be getting that all in, and then we'll go to paint. I'll be back with highlighting. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. I have a Patreon set up for those of you who enjoy supporting the arts. Please come visit me at nancyannparks.com. But the one thing I want you to remember most of all is to please remember that you are loved.